Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to change checkbox to picklist field in Salesforce. And we are going to discuss this topic in both edition, in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move to our org. And this is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are learn how to change checkbox to picklist field in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon, we can see there is a setup option present. Click on this setup option. Our setup page is open, and under this setup page we can see there is a object manager tab are present on the name bar. So click on this object manager tab. Our object manager page is open, and under this page we can see lots of objects are present, and here we want to select the project object. So we enter the project in the search box, and here we go, we can see our project comes at the top. Click on this project object. Our project object page is open, and under this page we can see detail related to the project, and on the left side there is a detail section present, and under this section we can see there is a fields and relationship option. Click on this option. Our fields and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see loads of fields are already created, and here we want to select the checkbox field, and the project status is a checkbox data type field. So we click on this project status, and our project status page is open, and under this page we can see the information related to the project status. So we want to add this field because we want to change this checkbox field to the picklist fields. That's why we click on the added button, and our project status field comes into the added mode, and here we want to change the field type. So we click on the change field type button, and our data type page is open. Here we can select the data type which we want. And here we go, we can see there is a checkbox field is already selected, but we want to change this checkbox data type field to the picklist field. That's why we click on the picklist. A pop-up messages comes up. Changing to the selected data type will cause you to lose all existing data in this field. So we want to change this field. That's why we click on the OK button, and here we go, our click checkbox is selected, and after that we click on the next button, and here we go, our next step is comes up. Here we want to enter the details related to the project status. Our field level is already filled, and now we enter the values with each value separated by a new line, and here we are entering the value as planning, development, testing and completion. Firstly enter the planning, development, and then enter the testing, and then completion. And after that, after entering all the values, now we scroll to the bottom, and click on the save button. And here we go, we come back to our fields and relationship page, and here we can see project status fields is changed into the picklist field. And for checking our project status is converted into the picklist field or not in the record page, so we click on the app launcher and enter the sales in the search box and select the sales option. Our sales page is open. Now we click on the more drop down arrow and select the project object. From here, click on the projects, and here we come to the project record page, and under this page we can see already created record, but we want to create a new record. And here we go, we can see our project status is a picklist field. That's why it's come as a pick list. We enter the value as a planning, development, testing and completion. So we can see our project status change into the pick list field. Now move forward and discuss how to change checkbox field to pick list field in Salesforce Classic. So for moving to our classic version, so firstly click on the profile picture, And under this profile picture, we can see there is an option present, switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option, and our Salesforce Classic version is open. Now we click on the username, and under this username, our username list is open. Now select the setup option, and our setup page is open. Now enter the object in the search box, and then we click on the drop down arrow of the customize. Under the customize, we can see there is a create drop down arrow, and under this there is a object option present. Click on this object option. Our custom objects page is open, and under this page we can see there is a lots of objects are present, and here we want to select the student application object. So click on this student application. Our student application page is open, and under this page we can see the detail related to the student application. Now scroll to the bottom of the page, and under this we can see there is a custom fields and relationship section are present, and under this section we can see there is a application progress field is present, that is a checkbox data type field, and we want to change this checkbox data type field to the picklist field. That's why we click on the application progress field, and here we click on the added button because we added this field and change the field type. So click on the change field type button, and here we go. We come to the custom fields page, and here we choose the data type, and here there is a checkbox data type is already selected, but we want to change this checkbox data type to the pick list. So we click on this pick list, and the pop-up message comes up that changing to the selected data type will cause you to lose all the existing data in the fields. So we click on the OK button because we change this checkbox field to the picklist field, and here we go. Our picklist field is selected, and after that we click on the next button, and here we go. We click on the next button. Now we come to our next step, that is a enter the details related to the application progress. The field label is already filled. Now we enter the values, and here we are entering the value as a note started, and then we enter in progress, and then submitted, and then under review, because we make this field as a pick list, that's why we enter the value, and then enter accepted, and then enter rejected. And after filling the value, we click on the save button. And here we go. Our student application custom object page is open. Now we scroll to the bottom, and under the custom fields and relationship section, we can see our application progress change into the picklist field. Now we check our application progress field is changed into the picklist field or not. So we go to our record page of the student application. That's why firstly we click on the student application object, and here is the student application object. Click on that. We come to the record page of the student application, and we want to create the new record. So we click on the new record new button, and here we go. Our student application page is open, and now enter the information related to the student application, and here we go. We can see application progress change into the pick list field. Here is the pick list. First is not started, in progress, submit, under review, accepted, rejected. And this change into the picklist field. So with this, we have learned how to change checkbox field to the picklist field in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.